You know, stealing grandma, stealing mama one money or one breadfruit if I team pick mama one to
One
eat.
breadfruit.
Yeah,
One breadfruit ever go up on tree, just one?
When the time pick off and grandma have one breadfruit that wait till it comes.
Oh, she wait?
Yeah.
Okay.
All them pick off and say that one if you go to pastor church, you know.
And Tyrone just
mama,
go
no,
watch
man,
it.
you just stop with that.
Tyrone, Henry.
Not Tyrone, Henry. Not Tyrone is here.
This is Jamaica good life. So now tell me about it now. What happened to the one breadfruit?
Yeah, my mama wanted to turn man on the tree, man. You don't want to pick it. You understand my turn on tree? Want to foot fit, well fit before I pick
So
it.
you know when it fit and it fit.
Yeah, the gum in it. The gum
When
come
you
up.
fry that,
Turn up, man. So, we don't hardly use meat kind we have breadfruit. We say it's a sin to eat it with meat. Because you already have the meat inside already, sugar. So you just want water. Yeah, real breadfruit.
so you don't, okay.
We just scrape it.
Yeah.
We don't peel it. We just roast it, scrape it. Wait till you go water on it and scrape it. And it's ready. I eat everything. Just the heart. You cut it and take out the heart. You don't eat the heart. Right, so the skin get biting. Because when a bird that eat fruit, you know, he peel it, and just push him big chew and eat everything. I think that bird get everything. We peel our food before we eat it. They're stupid.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're supposed to eat
Donkey
everything.
no peel nothing.
No, man, straight up, man.
Cow no peel nothing.
No, we don't have time for
All
that.
healing is everything.
That's me.
That's what I tell you. When I meet a girl, I say I don't peel nothing. Everything I eat.
Yeah. Straight. Yo!
Walk on. What heal that on there, so? You slow up on the hockey production and you run out of time. We have to go to the beach and run. You see me? One poke in a bikini.
Okay, my grandma, you see? You can't see her knee. Never see her knee.
Sure.
She used two slip. She wear two slip one time.
Two slip.
One long slip and one short slip.
Go in the middle, go down.
You see the tights, them, when girl in my way road now, I got my panty. Right, you see them like,
Yeah.
the tights, they will have one pretty pattern and stuff. A grandma panty those. Yeah.
You can't see nothing.
Grandma frock, when you see frock, a double frock. When you spin, one whole leg.
One leg.
You never see grandma ankle. You never see grandma ankle. Yeah. Or grandma tight. No. A girl, I walk naked from the road. That you don't want to push her again because you see everything.
You see everything before you see girl.
You don't want she. You can't wash in your room, man.
You see everything before you see girl. Where are you doing? Go and try and forget.